All right, happening right now. The FBI needs your help finding a missing truck driver. Good evening, Central Florida. I'm Q McCrae. Agents believe he was hijacked while transporting luxury vehicles from Georgia to Miami. Now, his name is Alejandro Gonzalez, and they say he was last seen at a rest stop on I-95 South in Grant-Valkaria back on April 17th. Channel 9's JJ Burton is live at that rest stop in Grant-Valkaria. And JJ, the FBI says they found the truck way up in Georgia.
Yeah, they found him in a town. They found the truck in a town called Port Wentworth outside of Savannah. Now, they believe that he was last seen again at this rest stop, and they're hoping someone watching this story tonight might have seen him at this rest stop near mile marker 168 and can help with the search. This is 41-year-old Alejandro Gonzalez. Take a close look at this picture from the FBI. Agents say he hasn't been seen since he left this rest stop on I-95 South and Grant-Valkaria since April 17th. Agents say he stopped here around 1:20 in the morning. He got back on the road going south around 7:49 a.m. According to them, his GPS has him driving to the next exit, then turning around going back towards Jacksonville. And they say he couldn't be reached after that. Drivers out here are reacting to this story.
We want to know our community is safe, even, on 95, even in rest stops.
Gonzalez is 41. He's bald, 5'11". He has a brown beard and mustache. He has multiple tattoos, including one full sleeve on his left arm. Truck drivers like Robert Wallace weren't shocked to hear about this.
People try to do the wrong thing and they think that truck drivers are vulnerable.
Safety is their top priority, especially for drivers who transport vehicles. That's why they stop at public rest stops like this one. It's busy and well lit.
I usually would rather stop at a station, a rest stop like this than a gas station.
The FBI located Gonzalez's truck in Port Wentworth, Georgia. That's outside of Savannah.
I pray that he is found safely. We could care less about the load. A human life is more important. Now, we reached out to the FBI for more information. We're waiting to hear back from them. Also, we have the information for the FBI. If you saw him at this rest stop or anywhere, you can help with this search. You can find that information on our website. Reporting live in Brevard County, I'm JJ Burton, Channel 9 Eyewitness News.